Samsung is gearing up to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market yet again, this time with the highly anticipated Galaxy A56. Recent leaks have offered a glimpse of what we can expect from the upcoming device, and it's safe to say the A56 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range phones of the year. Let's dive into what we know so far about its design, display, and camera system. Starting with the design, Samsung appears to have drawn inspiration from its flagship models, incorporating sleek, flat edges and a refined aesthetic reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 series. These design choices not only give the Galaxy A56 a premium look, but also ensure a comfortable grip, making it practical for everyday use. The device also retains some signature Samsung design elements, like the key island camera layout, but with a more streamlined and subtle approach compared to its predecessor. The overall design feels modern and elegant, bridging the gap between affordability and sophistication. The display is another area where the Galaxy A56 stands out. It features thinner, more uniform bezels, a small but significant change that elevates the viewing experience. The edge-to-edge screen design gives the phone a more immersive feel, making it perfect for streaming videos, browsing, or gaming. Although details on resolution and refresh rate are still under wraps, Samsung's track record with AMOLED displays suggests we can expect vibrant colors and crisp visuals. Onto the cameras, the Galaxy A56 aims to deliver versatility and quality for photography enthusiasts. It's equipped with a triple camera setup on the back, including a powerful 50-megapixel primary sensor. This main camera is expected to deliver sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Accompanying it is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens ideal for capturing landscapes and group shots, and a 5-megapixel macro camera for close-up details. For selfie lovers, the front-facing camera is rumored to be a 12-megapixel shooter. This should provide clear and vibrant photos, great for video calls, social media posts, or even casual vlogging. Together, the camera system offers flexibility, catering to a wide range of photography styles and preferences. While the design and cameras are already impressive, there's more to anticipate. Samsung's focus on blending style with functionality suggests the 56 could also come packed with robust internal specs. Although details on the chipset, RAM, and battery life are yet to be confirmed, Samsung typically ensures that its mid-range devices offer smooth performance and reliable battery life. Another aspect worth noting is Samsung's commitment to software updates and security patches, which adds value to its devices over time. With Android at its core and Samsung's One UI, users can expect an intuitive and user-friendly experience. As the release date approaches, there's growing excitement about the full capabilities of the Galaxy A56. From its premium design to its versatile cameras and likely dependable performance, it's clear this device is tailored for users who want a high-quality smartphone without breaking the bank. Samsung has consistently excelled at bridging the gap between flagship features and affordability, and the Galaxy A56 looks like another win in that department. With competition heating up in the mid-range market, this device has the potential to stand out and attract a wide range of users. Stay tuned as more details unfold about the Galaxy A56. It's shaping up to be a strong contender in its category, and there's no doubt it will be a device worth considering for anyone in the market for a stylish and capable smartphone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.